Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a website with clonable component in Webflow. So that's really amazing. I will show you a step by step everything and we'll create the amazing website here. So here we go. So first of all, we need to create account in the Webflow. So first of all, you just need to search Webflow. Okay, and here we'll find the webflow.com and just open this, and we need to sign up with your Google account or any account. After the login, your dashboard look like this. Now I'm going to use your new tab and just search here Webflow clonable. Okay, Webflow clonable, and scroll down and you'll find here best clonable website, free examples and designs. So I'm going to use it. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'm gonna just make sure that's the one page website and make sure that site should be clonable. Okay, so just select this. Now you will see a lot of examples here. You can clone any website from these portfolios. You'll see a lot of websites and all these websites are really amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and we'll edit that website. Okay, let's click on the view details and you can see that's the website here. Okay, so what I will do here, just click on the clone in Webflow. Just click on this. So now we just need to click on the create site option and you just need to type your website name. I'm going to say here TCB website and just click on create site. And we just need to wait some seconds to cloning all the component, all the design to our website TCB site. Okay, and here we go. As you can see here, that's really amazing. We are here. Okay, now just scroll down and see how this will work. Like, see, this is the whole design we have right now. Okay, now in this design we can modify it. Okay, we can modify the content, we can modify the design, we can add more section over here. Okay, so in the left side you'll find here the body and the page wrapper. So just click on this page wrapper and you will see here the navbar, then the sections, all these sections are here like this. Okay, now let's try to modify this. Okay, so what I will do here, I'm just gonna change this name. Okay, and I'm gonna put my TCB name here. So I'll just put here like the coding bus in a bold like this. Okay, cool. Now if you want to change some content from here, so you just need to double click on that content and now you can change the whole content like okay, that's the content. Now if you want to see how this will look, so in the right side you'll find that the play button like this icon. Just click on this and you will see the preview of your website and see here the animation like this, and here's your content that we have changed, and that's the scroll and see the whole website like this. Okay, now you know that how we can change the content. Okay, now how we can add the more section in that and how we can add more container or something in this design. Okay, so let me show you how this will work. So just again click on this and now you are the coding part. Now just scroll down like this. Okay, just go to the bottom, you can see the plus icon, just click on this and now you can add the footer. Like, see, this website have not better footer, so I'm gonna create here better footer. So just scroll down and just find out the which footer you love. So just select the footer section and see there are a lot of footer options here. So I'm gonna select this one. I think, yeah, that's one good. So let's click on this footer and this will automatically insert in the bottom like this. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the footer, right? So I'm going to change the color of that font and also how we do that. So let me just delete this one, okay, section. So just select this footer wrapper and just click on delete and it's deleted. Okay, so you can delete the section also, and now we have this footer. So select the any text module here, any text component here like this, and let's go to the style and scroll down and you will find here the color. Okay, so you'll see here that's the color code. So just select this. Okay, and you will see here that you can choose the any color. So I'm going to use the silver color like this, and for the links also I'm going to use that silver color. So just select this option and see this silver color. Got it. So that's our footer is ready. Okay, so So that's the overall thing you can do. You can change all the things in this website. So this is a really amazing clonable component that you can use for the Webflow to create your own website. So you can modify the images of this website also. So how we can modify the images? So let's modify some images. So see, that's the portfolio here. So just click on this image, and the right side you'll find the style, and you'll see the settings option. So click on the setting and you'll see the replace image. So click on the replace image and you will see the all components are here. If you want to upload your own content, so you can do it from here, okay, in the top like this. So this is really done. So now if you want to change something else to some other image, so like this, and it's done. So this is really fantastic, and it's really very easy to do all these changes. Okay, so that's the overall website. Let me just publish this website. Okay, so as you can see, that published to the selected domain. So just click on this and wait some seconds, take this website live, and it's done. Now just click on this and we have the tcb-website.webflow.io. that's our domain, and here is your website. Cool, that we have changed, and it's content, and we have added one footer also in the bottom like this. Okay, so that's the amazing thing. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.